Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Myself is Prof.Dr. R.R.Deshpande, and today is a Saturday, that is 23rd of February 2019. And as you know very well that I have started the serial, that is, let us make the Ayurveda viral. That means we want to propagate Ayurvedic knowledge throughout the world in a very, very lucid language and also in a scientific language. Last time I have started the topic aims and objectives of Ayurveda, and the first line that has been mentioned is swasthasya rakshanam, that means to maintain the healthy condition of an individual, and second line is aturasya vyadhi parimokshaha, that means to treat the atur means patient and vyadhi means disease. So we have to cure the disease condition of a patient. But we have concentrated on the first line, and I have said that prevention is better than cure, and Ayurveda helps a lot to maintain our healthy condition. So, but we should know who can be called as a healthy, how we can define the healthy condition. Whether when we meet to each other and we say, how are you? And everybody says, oh, fine, I am very fine. But if you ask him, how is your morning stool, morning defecation? There is some problem, a little bit problem, but it's okay. Then I have asked, how was your 2 days back sleep? Actually I am getting the sleep, but sometimes here and there. That means the first reaction that we mention when we say, how are you? Always everybody says, I am fine. But if you go a little bit in detail, then something or the other may be wrong. So we must understand what is the scientific definition mentioned by Ayurveda about the swastha. Who is a healthy person? Sushrut says, samadoshaha, samagnischa, samadhatu malakriyaha, prasanna atma indriya manaha, swastha iti abhidiyate. The person is called healthy when there is a samyavastha, samasthiti of the different body elements. Ayurveda believes our body is constituted, human has a constitution with the elements like dosha, dhatu and mal. These are three important bio-constituents, bio-elements of our body that we must understand. One word is a dosha. They are compared like a bioenergies. Everybody knows that vata, pitta and kapha. We are going to see the details of it afterwards. But these are bioenergies. They must be in a balanced state, in equilibrium state. The modern biological word is a homeostasis. So there should be homeostasis of vata, pitta and kapha, these bioenergies. How we can test that we will see afterwards. But first you should know the word sama avastha, homeostasis, balanced of dosha, bioenergy, dhatu, they are the body tissues. There are 7 important body elements, body tissues or the dhatus. For example, rasa, that can be compared with the blood plasma or even all the homeostasis of water and electrolyte balance. Mind my word. What is rasa balance? Rasa samyavastha, water and electrolyte balance. Rakta is a solid part of the blood, like blood cells, hemogram, RBCs, WBCs, platelets. So, rakta, masa, muscular tissue, meda, fat or the adipose tissue, asthi, bony or osseous tissue, majja, that may be compared with the bone marrow as well as the nervous tissue, and shukra is a reproductive tissue. So all these 7 body tissues should be quantitatively and qualitatively perfect, homeostasis. And of course there is the importance of mala, that is the waste products. 3 important waste products. Mala, that is purisha, that is the stools, solid stools. urine, that is liquid waste product, and sweat, that we sweat in the summer season. So mala, mutra and swed, all the waste products also should be quantitatively and qualitatively in equilibrium. Then only we can say that person is particularly healthy. So we have to check it out, that dosha, dhatu, mala, and also the stimulatory metabolic process, that is Agni. Agni is a digestive fire as well as a tissue fire. Lots of types of the Agnis, but Agni is a metabolic stimulator. That energy also should be in a Samyavastha. First line indicates the physical swasth or the fitness or healthy condition. But when we say prasanna, fresh, prasanna, atma, soul principle, life force, indriya, sensory, motor organs, and man. So prasanna, atma, indriya, manaha, then the particular person can be called as a healthy person. You will ask me, doctor, you are telling so many complicated words. Dosha, dhatu, mala, agni, atma, indriya. How we will decide that they are samya, they are in equilibrium? I will tell you very simple 4 things that can give you little bit idea. I am not saying 100%, but yes, 90% idea can be get whether all these things are going on well. Simple 4 questions everybody should ask for himself. The first question, how is my appetite or the hunger? Whether I feel hungry at a proper time in a proper amount. Like for example in jaundice, no hunger. In diabetes mellitus, polyphagia, like to eat more. No, I am talking about normal physiological hunger of the lunch time and the dinner time. Then what is next? Next is how is your thirst sensation that gives you the water and electrolyte balance. If you feel drink water as per your constitution, 100% good, that is good. This is the second question. Then I will ask you third question. How are your excretory products? Whether every day morning you are having really good morning, good stools, then you are passing urine in a normal quantity. And the last 4th question, how is your sleep? Whether you are sleep well without any medication, goes to sleep at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, get up early in the morning very fresh at 6 o'clock, then it is perfect. And last question, whether you feel happy. Whether you feel happy at all the time without any reason. If you are feel yourself happy without any reason, then also your next part, that is the second line, metaphysical level, is also working well. So what I mean to say, I have today explained you the definition of a healthy person, theoretical as well as practical level. Theoretical is a balance of dosha, dhatu, mala, agni, and prasannatva, that means freshness of atma, indriya and mana. But how you can judge? Regarding how is your person's appetite, hunger, how is his thirst, how are the waste products, stools, urine, how is his sleep, and whether he is feeling energetic and happy at all the time. My dear friends, remember this important aspect of Ayurveda to determine ourselves whether I am really healthy, physically, mentally fit, then we can proceed further. So my dear friends, thank you very much for your nice cooperation. I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.